So here is a lovely activity idea adapted from something on the Look, Say, Sing, Play website that we have been using in our early start classes. You'll recognise the tune for this song, and at the end of it you're going to have a really useful resource for doing loads of other activities at home with the kids. So what you will need is 8 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and 60 ml of warm water. Okay, so let's get started. You put the flour in, you put the salt in, we use our spoon to mix it up. You do the hokey cokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, let's make some Play-Doh. Whoa, let's make some Play-Doh. Whoa, let's make some Play-Doh. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. We put the oil in very carefully. We put the water in very carefully. We use our spoon and we mix it up. We do the hokey cokey and we turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, let's make some Play-Doh. Whoa, let's make some Play-Doh. Whoa, let's make some Play-Doh. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah. And here we have our finished Play-Doh. If you're finding as you make it that it's a bit too sticky, then just add a bit more flour. And if you're finding that it's not sticking together and becoming Play-Doh, then just add a bit more water. And you can also add in some food colouring into your water before you start, which will give it an overall colour. Or if you add a bit of food colouring after you've added your oil and water, you'll get a sort of marble effect. And now you have a useful resource for endless activities and making up more songs as you play with it to make shapes, objects. How about making 5 little ducks to use whilst you sing 5 little ducks went swimming one day? Endless ideas.